Are you ready? It's time to go. Are you okay? Hello? What's wrong? Is it that bad? But don't worry. I can fix it. We just need some cleanser and cotton pads. Now let's get your makeup done. We'll start by drawing a line with some light foundation. Then we'll make smaller sections. Just like this. Now to fill the sections with a darker shade of foundation. Fill every second section. Then fill in the blanks with a lighter shade. Anyone for chess? Use a makeup sponge to blend the foundation. This creates an even tone and layer. We're almost done. Have a look. Wow, that's so much better than my attempt. I love it. Let's go party! This competition is mine. My hair looks gorgeous. If you say so. Excuse me. This dress will look amazing on me. Wow, she must be blind. It would be a shame if there were no makeup brushes. Oh well, looks like she'll have the natural look. Nice dress. I'll take that as a compliment. Where are the makeup brushes? I could have sworn they were here a minute ago. Oh no, what am I gonna use? A toothbrush? This might work. Start with a color palette and a glass of water. Take a clean toothbrush and dip it in the water. Then, onto the makeup. Flick the bristles so the makeup splatters onto your face. Trust us, we know what we're doing. Use different colors for a greater effect. Clean off the excess and you'll have a vibrant eyeshadow. Hello, beautiful! Mesdames et messieurs, welcome. Let the show begin. I'm not so sure. Hi. I'm speechless. She's the one. She looks stunning. How? You're too kind. And there. I think that's me. This room is a mess! It's disgusting! Make yourself useful and pick up these clothes. Maybe later? Bye-bye. What? No! Come back! All I'm good for is cleaning up. Oh, come on. Fine, I'll tidy everything up. How much makeup does she wear? It's never ending. I wish I got paid for this. Wow, I mean it's impressive how much sponges she goes through. Seriously? Under here as well? I think that's them all. Oh, my back. I'm too old for this. May as well pick up the clothes, too. Really? I need to have a talk with her. In they go. As if this is how I want to spend my time. Ugh. Thank goodness for the washing machine. I have a way to clean the sponges quickly. Put the makeup sponges in a bucket or basin. Add in a large scoop of stain remover powder. Then pour over some water. Look at all the bubbles. Looks like it's working. Once they've soaked, empty out the water. Rinse with clean water to remove any leftover detergent. Give it a squeeze. And look how clean they are. That worked well and saved time. Oh, almost forgot. I'll need these. What? What happened? Mickey! And bend and hold. Feel the stretch. To the side. Oh, I need a new workout partner. Phew! Really working up a sweat, huh? You can say that again. I feel woozy. Alex? Are you okay? Who said that? Where am I? Was that my fault? Oh, I need some new deodorant. I know. Start with this exfoliating sponge and some water. Now, some soap. Rub the sponge onto the soap. Get scrubbing, girl. Next, take some clay and add lemon juice. Give it a mix. Once the clay is smooth, it's time to get to work. Spread onto the underarms with a brush. Let it dry. It's an interesting look. Then use the sponge to clean it off. Smelling fresh. Ready to get back to it? Stay back! You hear me? I'm armed with air freshener! I'm fine, see? I'll be the judge of that. Okay, I believe you. Let's do this! This book is a real page-turner. Oh, a message. So soon? Better get ready. There's my makeup bag. I'll start with a spray of perfume. I smell like a rose. What else? Lipstick. This might be trickier. But that's what teeth are for. Sort of. Come on. Nice and slow. Okay, you're getting there. Why is this so hard? That'll do. Who am I kidding? I look like a clown. There must be an easier way. Oh! This flossing brush could be handy. I know how to use this. Rub the flossing brush over the lipstick, making sure the floss is coated. Then press it onto the lip. Make an X shape in the center to start. Then work along the outline of the lips. Then do the same on the bottom lip. Then just fill it in with the lipstick. Wow! Look at those lips! Hey! How are you feeling? You look great. I got you some things. Thank you! Everything on the menu looks so good. It's so hard to choose. Hello. Waiter, 2 of your specials. Chop chop. Bon appetit. Ahem. Hello. Oh, wow! These look great! Ah! 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 Was it something I said? What a strange reaction. Oh no! There's 2 caterpillars on my face! Wait, that's my eyebrows. How not to make a first impression. These tweezers should help. These hairs are quite stubborn. This might take a while. What a disaster. Although, maybe I could use the nail file. It's worth a try. Rub the tweezers against the nail file. This will sharpen the blades on the tweezers, making those pesky hairs a thing of the past. That's doing the job. You'll have perfect brows in no time. What a difference! We might need a vacuum over here. Is that the time? Better be going! What's your go-to beauty secret? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this.